Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abducted by Aliens 8892, and this is going to be a new Walmart haul. That's right, Walmart. At first, I bought these two plastic black totes with the lids. So I got two of those because, like I said, I'm still packing and organizing, and I'm doing everything in totes. Instead of like packing in boxes, I'm doing totes. So when the whole house is ready and I'm done, I can start prepping walls, and I'm doing more house projects, and then I'm going to put the house up for sale. So far I'm just using totes, so that's why I buy those. And then also at Walmart, I picked up a whole bunch of these Cheetos again. This is the jalapeno and cheese. This one's pretty good. It has like a little bit of spice to it, so if you like spice because the jalapeno, this is for you. They also have a real flaming hot one, which I already have in my cabinets and everything. I never tried that one yet, but I don't eat flaming hot anyway. My son does, or my husband does. So I got some jalapeno and cheese. I bought the original one. This is the one I like. It's called Bold and Cheesy. So this is the orange box of the Cheetos. I love this. So I did find a whole bunch of Cheetos, the one that I like, this one. And they have like a few boxes left of these. So I just bought 2 boxes of the jalapeno and cheese. And then I bought 5 boxes left. That's all they had, because they go pretty quickly. So I really, really like these. Some lady asked me if they were good. I was like, yeah, they're really delicious. So I got these. These are better than Kraft and all the other box macaroni and cheeses. You'd be surprised. So if you see these at Walmart, give them a try. You'll really like it. And then I bought a small, tiny little whipping cream. I'm gonna be doing this bacon and cheesy coleslaw recipe. Because usually I make my coleslaw my own way. I have a video a while back. Look up my video and you'll see how I made the coleslaw. I do it with blue cheese and red onions. But this time I'm going to do like a bacon cheesy coleslaw. So that's the reason why I picked up this bacon. And this is from Walmart. This is the low sodium type of bacon. So I got that. And then also at Walmart, I picked up 3 big 2 liters of the Diet Cherry Pepsi. I love Diet Cherry Pepsi. I used to like the regular Pepsi back in the days, but I cut all the sugar out when I drink soda. Even though it's not healthy for you, and I know it's not the best for you, but when I do have a soda craving, my kick is Pepsi, and it's got to be Diet. So I grabbed those. And then also, I got another little box of this Goya salad and vegetable seasoning. I like to put this with butter and, flavor up my vegetables when I'm cooking, especially corn. It's really good. So I just picked up one of those from the Walmart. And then I picked up at Walmart this bag of coleslaw. So I just picked up one because I'm going to do that bacon cheesy recipe. And then also I picked up this really cute little how you say, it's like a cardboard Easter basket type of thing. It's really cute. It has a string. This was 98 cents. I'm not going to use it as an Easter basket or nothing like that. I'm going to take the string off, and then I'm going to make like a planner with this. I'm going to poke holes in there, and I'm going to be doing like a little tiny planner, or grow some parsley, or, whatever, or maybe I could grow some chives, whatever I like in here. I'm going to use this as a planner, and especially around spring and Easter time, it's really pretty. Look how cute the little Easter bunny is. It's got silver around it. I just like the way it looked. They also have 2 other prints. They have like a Happy Easter print, and then they have one with like just eggs all over it. So those were okay, but I liked this print. So I only picked up one because, like I said, I'm going to make something with this. It's not for Easter candy or nothing like that. And then the next thing I bought at Walmart was a whole bunch of candles. Now, I have a cross that you put on the wall, and you could burn your 7-day candles, and it looks like a nightlight. And it's really pretty, and I like to burn candles in them. So I picked up this beautiful red candle. These are scented. And it's got Jesus on there. It's so beautiful. See how Jesus? I got that. And then I got this pretty one here. This one is the pinkish red candle. It has the Virgin Mary. Then I got this one. It's a different kind of sugar skull. Day of the Dead. And you know, I'm Mexican, so yeah, I love that. And then I got this one. It's another beautiful sugar skull. I like the pattern of it. And this is just a simple white candle. Those are good for like burning and stuff like that. And then I got this beautiful one. This one is the baby pink. And this one smells like roses. And you get the Virgin Mary there. You know, Guadalupe. And then I got this one here. A yellow one. This is Lázaro. You know, Saint Lazarus. So in Spanish is Lázaro. So I got the Lázaro candle. Then I got this beautiful one. It's white. Simple Virgin Mary on it. So pretty. I think it's white or yellow. And then I got another sugar skull. Super pretty. Now these cost a little bit more than Dollar Tree and a little bit more than your dollar stores. These are $1.44 at Walmart. But I really like them because they're scented and they actually last a little bit longer than the Dollar Tree ones, which is kind of weird. And then I bought a bag right here of some shredded sharp cheese. I'm going to make the coleslaw meal with that. And then I bought some shampoos and conditioners. I just bought one set. This is the Suave. This one is rosemary and mint. Now I make a hair rinse and I make my own hair tonics and stuff with real rosemary that you grow. Because rosemary does blood flow and it does make your hair grow. So you can make your own hair rinse with rosemary plant and then pour it on your scalp. It's really, really good for you. I love the smell of rosemary and I do love mint. So I decided to pick up the Suave shampoo and conditioner because I like the smell of rosemary and I like the smell of mint. So I figured I'll give those a try, even though I don't really need them. But like I said, I stock up. So, whoops, why does everything keep falling? Okay, so I got those. And then I bought 2 of these salads I love. This is the American style pasta salad with chicken. It has like the olives, the cheese, the cold noodles. Then you get the meat. You got a delicious buttermilk ranch sauce or something like that. And then you get the little tomatoes. And that's it. It's got cheese. It's really good. You got shredded cheese in there too. So that's really good. So I got 2 of those. And then I bought a bunch of CDs, guys. Just random CDs that I usually hear. Now, this one's an old classic. This is Joan Jett. And then you got some of the Joan Jett songs. So I got the Joan Jett and the Black Hearts CDs. Oh, and a lot of people have been asking me what kind of music I listen to. I hear everything. And I mean everything. The only thing I'm not into is jazz or like opera. I'm not too much into country unless it's Kenny Rogers. I listen to heavy metal. I listen to hip hop. I hear club, freestyle, reggae, bachata, merengue, salsa, cumbia, Mexican music, regular music, 80s, 70s, 60s. It goes on and on. Oldies, Motown. I hear it all. I like all that stuff. So I picked up this Ajax. That's a big orange Ajax. So I got more dish soaps. Even though you saw me haul a whole bunch of them, I still overstock with dish soap. So I never run out. Then I bought another big CD. This, you get 3 CDs in one. And this is Iron Maiden. And I don't know what's on here. It was just cheap. And you get 3 big things of Iron Maiden songs. So I got an Iron Maiden. Then I picked up this Kelly Clarkson. I love Kelly Clarkson. And then this is her other songs on here. It's got Miss Independence and other songs on there. Really cool. So I picked that up. Then I picked up another Michael Jackson. Love Michael Jackson. Love him with all my heart. Rest in peace, Michael. Anyway, I love the Jacksons. I love his sister, Janet Jackson. Michael Jackson got a lot of good stuff. So I picked up one of his albums. And then the last one, I picked up another copy, because I have like 2 already, of the black album of Metallica. And this was only $5. So if you like Metallica, this is it. The black album's the shit. All right, well, that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Walmart. They didn't really have nothing. I was trying to dig through all the CDs. All they have is country and Elvis and stuff like that. They didn't really have nothing interesting. So that's all I found. And it was kind of crowded in there. So anyway, that's it. That's all I picked up at Walmart right now. This was like $100 and so. So stay tuned for more videos, and I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, and stay blessed out there, guys. Bye.